Hey guys, it's Chris from Fish Camping Fix. Look, we got something really neat going on today. Brooks is a huge Duck Dynasty fan. He watches it non-stop. He can quote lines from it as he's watching it. Every night before he goes to bed, he has to watch Duck Dynasty. He has saved his money and bought him a triple threat duck call. That's what he wanted, that's what he had to have, the triple threat, and it has come in today, along with something for me has come in today, and I'm going to share those with you. But we're about to get that out of the mailbox and take it inside. He's going to be fired up when he sees this, so hang on. It's here. This is going to be one happy little boy.
Yes, how's your day?
My day was great. Thanks for asking. Something come for you in the mail today.
Thank you. A triple threat duck call! Thanks, Dad.
What do you think about that?
It's awesome. It has a Duck Commander logo in it.
Really?
Yes.
Think you can do it?
Wait.
Yeah. No, other way. 10. I think you got some practice to do, don't you?
Yep.
What kind is it?
It should be a triple threat. Triple threat, which means it should have 3 reeds in it. 1, 2, 3, it's a triple threat. 1, 2, 3 reeds.
That's the one you wanted?
Mm-hmm. It's a triple threat duck call.
You excited?
Mm-hmm. Can we go duck hunting?
Huh?
Can we go duck hunting?
I don't know anything about duck hunting. So. Do you know anything about duck hunting?
Yeah. You take the duck call and you call them and you shoot them.
Well, give me your best call.
It's gotta be loud so I can hear it.
All right, good job. Well, that went well. He sure was fired up. I have got a brand new, excuse me. I don't know where I put it. He's outside in the yard. He's going to hyperventilate blowing his duck call. This is something I ordered and I got in today that I've been curious to try out. And it is it's a new microphone. I have not been satisfied with my sound on my videos, so I decided to do a little research, and I found that this is a microphone that some people at Think Media has recommended. Also, they recommended the Sony a6400, which I'm using to do these videos with. But this microphone was $25. It's a mic that goes on top of your camera. I looked at the Rhodes mic. Those things are salty. I mean, like $100. And I just was not willing at this time to drop that much money on a microphone because I don't know that I want them another wireless like I have. Maybe spend a little more money getting 2 good wireless mics. That way Christy and I, or Brooks and I, or Christy and Brooks could wear the wireless mics. Or if a boom mic would, or a shotgun mic rather, would do the job sufficiently. So this is this is the unboxing of this mic. And I'm not going to go into great detail about it other than to install it and let you hear the mic that I'm on right now compared to the Takstar mic in a few minutes. And it's going to be a short video today, but I just wanted to share this with you and see what you think about the audio. And I'd really like some input if you could take a few minutes to say, hey, that's better or that's worse or whatever the case may be. But this is what it looks like. This is the newer model. They have one that is the sgc-580 something or 590 something. This is the sgc-600. It's a newer model. So I don't know if there's a lot of improvement over the older model or this model. I'm not that familiar with it. But we're going to be using this with, like I said, my Sony a6400. I'm going to put it on now, and then I'll come back to you and we'll compare the audio from the other mic. And my lanyard or my lapel mic is a Fifine, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, Fifine technology, Fine technology, KO37. And it's done a pretty good job. It's just, I don't know, sometimes it checks out, it loses, it drops, so I don't know. But anyway, this is the lapel mic, and I got a receiver. It plugs into the camera. And for like what we're doing here, 3 or 4 foot away, I want to see how the Takstar does. So I'll bring you back in a few. Okay, if one thing that I will just tell you right off the bat is it seems to be coming in really hot. I'm going to have to go into my camera and turn my settings in the camera down just a little bit for this mic. But for our purposes right now, we can probably tell how the overall quality is going to be. And I'm bumping red right now, so I'm going to turn it down inside the camera. I'll be right back. I backed it down to 5, and I still am pegging out at that level. So just normal talking, I think it's going to be fine there. May need to turn it down just a little bit more. But I'm about 3 feet away, and just talking, I think, at the same level as I was through my wireless mic. So we're going to try that out. I can't remember if I've already said this or not, but the boom or the shotgun mic gets in the way of the Sony a6400 flip-up screen. It's one of the best things about a Sony a6400 is that you can flip the screen up and see the shot when you're vlogging yourself as we're doing right now, and you can stay in frame and make sure everything's okay. But yeah, you can get side mounts to move the shotgun mic over to the side, and I want to look into doing that. So that's something we may see about doing in the future. But for our purposes today, this is just about testing the microphone out and seeing what kind of sound quality that we could get from the Takstar. So, hey, short video, but thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I hope that we put some informative information out. The Sony a6400, if you're looking into doing vlogging, and it's a pricey camera to get into, but it's a good camera. It does great still shots and 4K video, and you can't beat it, I don't think, for what I'm trying to do. The Takstar microphone, again, as I said, it's a cheap mic, $25 I think is what it was to get it to my house. But the Rode mics, no doubt, are probably better and better quality. I'm not disputing that. I'm just saying that I didn't have $100+ to let go for a Rode mic right now. May do it in the future. May not if this works good. So I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, God bless. Remember, who the sun sets free is free indeed. And we'll catch you next time.